Hey everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. I made a rainbow cake previously, which was rainbow on the inside, and I've had people ask me how you can do rainbow icing. So I'm gonna do that today. I've got my cake here, which I've already made. It's vanilla on the inside. I've crumb coated it with buttercream, and this has been chilled in the fridge for an hour. Make sure your sides are smooth. So now I'm just gonna do the different colors to finish it off. I've got my colors here. I've got an orange pinkish, I've got leafy green, I've got sky blue, and I've got yellow. And I'm going to be using different spatulas to finish that off, starting with this one, which I will use to apply the different colors. I'll be talking you through as I'll be doing it. So let's get started. So we're starting with the blue, and I'll be applying with this spatula, the straight one. And you do it sideways. I'll show you how I'll be doing it. So you get your icing, and you do it going this way, so like that. So don't worry about making it smooth for now. So we've got our blue there. And to make sure that we will have smooth edges, I am just gonna I'll use this one. Just run it through like that to sort of create a line in there. You need to have a paper towel or something ready to use to wipe, because this has to be clean before you move on to the next color. So wiping the blue off. Now we are moving on to the green. The same thing. You apply going this way. Again, it doesn't have to be smooth. So that's our green. And then I'm gonna come with this one to do the lines. So just rotating it. And that's it. Just apply it going around. And lastly, we've got our orange / pinkish. We'll apply this one starting from the top and going onto the sides to finish off. Now we're gonna finish off by making the sides smooth. So I've got these two that I'll be using. They're both scrapers. One is metal and one is just plastic. And I've got a bowl where I'll be putting the excess that I'll be removing. So let's do that now. So now we're just going to start with this one. So that's our first round done. Now I'm just using this one to make it smooth, nice and smooth. Now we'll do the top. You just bring it in gently like that. Now I'm just going to have a white ganache, and I've got 60 grams in here of white baking or cooking chocolate, and I've got 60 ml of thickened cream. I'm going to melt the two together and then I'll pour it over the cake. So there we go, we've got our rainbow colored iced cake. It's got white ganache dripping, and because I had leftover icing which I just had to use, I've piped some rosettes on top with the mixed colors. So easy peasy. If you want to know how to make the cake, everything will be in the description box. If you want to know how to make the buttercream icing, you can check out my other recipes, and I was using 1M tip for the piping of the rosettes, and for the ganache dripping I just used a normal plastic bag which I just cut at the tip to make this. If you've got any questions, you can leave them in the comment section and I'll respond to you. Cheers!